In the councils of government, we must guard against the acquisition of unwarranted influence, whether sought or unsought, by the military-industrial complex. The potential for the disastrous rise of misplaced power exists and will persist.
U.S. President Dwight Eisenhower said this in his farewell address. He was, by saying so, warning against the influence of military-industrial complex. The military, defense contractors, and politicians, the toxic deals among the three parties provide incessant source of energy for American war machine. From 2002 to 2020, political donations from defense sector almost tripled, according to statistics by Open Secrets. More lobbying, more military budget, more weapons, more reasons for war. The latest example of this bloody chain of inference is the cluster munitions sent to Ukraine, a notorious weapon banned by more than 100 countries. But for U.S. military-industrial complex, none of these matters. As long as there is money to make, the American war machine never shuts down.